Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Checking in on the market rundown, SPY IWM QQQ heading into Tuesday, June 20th. So SPY all-time high, big green Maribozu. The bulls were in control right from the open. As soon as we hit that all-time high, there was no looking back. And we closed up at the high of the day, showing us that the momentum is favoring the bulls for continuation, as there is a lack of resistance. These SPY levels are adjusted for the dividend. If you don't like dealing with dividend adjustments, go with SPX. SPX doesn't have to deal with that. And we hit the all-time high in the S&P 500 as well today. So the bulls are in full control. We're looking at the upper Bollinger Band on the daily resistance in the 245s. And the weekly time frame was a bull flag that saw confirmation and continuation. The bull flag held exponential support, looking perfect, and nice follow-through. Weekly upper Bollinger Band resistance is 244.82. That's a level to be watching as well. So daily and weekly upper Bollinger Band on watch. IWM on the daily time frame followed through from the bullish reversal hammer of Friday, confirming that the bulls are remaining in control. Our higher low has been set now at 139.28, and we're making our way towards that all-time high. I'm looking at 141.58, the high of today, 142.31, and then 142.90, the all-time high, as the resistance levels that the bulls are looking to capture here. So in full control of the bulls, that's the moral of the story, and that's been what these videos have been saying for a very long time, because that is what the market has been doing since the election. So the weekly time frame here for IWM, we have an inside bar last week showing the tightening range, inside bar again this week showing the tightening range, and watching for a break of either the high or the low. And with 4 trading days left to go, we will likely see that break occur sometime this week, and if we don't, next week it certainly will. We're on the verge of a bullish MACD cross, so it does look like the bulls are just getting ready to go here for another leg to the upside. QQQ seeing a bit of a recovery, but not there just yet. Our lower high is 140.55, so we've got our high, our low, lower high, higher low, and here we are right at that resistance. 140.55. We did get up above it by 4 cents. Not very convincing just yet. We got up to 140.59. If we get followed through tomorrow, closing after the high of the day there, we do have momentum for the bulls going forward. But if we do get a higher high and start making our way into this space with a lack of resistance, we know the bulls will be extremely strong and be heading back towards that all-time high of 143.51. So it was a setback. We've consolidated, and we're on the verge of a bullish break, which would indicate that the bulls are back in full control. Weekly time frame shows the bulls just barely clinging on to exponential support, on the verge of bearish MACD cross here, but enough of some upside that we could potentially fend that off and have the bulls remain in control if we do see a green week like we are seeing shape up. Obviously, 4 trading days left to go. A lot can change there, but as of right now, bulls still looking good. So I appreciate you watching. We'll continue to check in throughout the week. Bull is the word, and it will remain that way for a significant amount of time, because even where we currently stand, we have to break the higher low pattern for the bears to show up, and that's down at 241.18. We're currently over $3 above that level. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.